Hello, 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 hello. Okay, I think that looks good. Let's see if I get DMCA into Oblivion. I'm gonna try this music this time. Okay. Hey everyone, my name is Kaijor. I'm working on a 2D game engine with the Julia programming language called JewelGame. And today I am continuing work on this game I'm making with it. Right now we're working on a queue function, or like functionality for our 2D match 3 roguelike. It's just loading up right now. I'm gonna show my intent here. I just had an error. Oh, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Okay. Let's play it. I'm gonna update that title too real quick. Actually, let me pull my code up here. This is not the right window. I hope this is not like too jarring for people, but this is like my favorite functionality in this operating system is like just being able to press that. I press like the Windows key or like the the OS key, and then it just like opens this. And I can see all my windows real quick. I love it. I try to do it on my like Windows PC and stuff, and it's just annoying. I can't. Okay. I know there's functionality to do it, but just pressing that button is so easy. Okay. So what are we doing? We are right now. I'm just updating that name because that's not the name of the game anymore. So just do a merge masters, and we'll say Necro. I guess right now we'll go with whatever the current name is. Necro Matcher. We'll just do that real quick. Oh, actually, that needs to be updated in the actual. That needs to be updated in the actual data. Right? So that is. Oh, I need to update that too. Necro Matcher. We'll just leave this that for now. I think. Yeah, let's just leave that. And I just realized I cannot see my chat, which I know nobody's watching right now, but eventually, hopefully, somebody joins. Okay, it's loaded now. Okay, so that's saved. Necro Matcher. Actually, let me test this real quick, because I haven't actually tested this new system. Since I changed it in the code as well, I want to make it different than what's in the code or what's in that file. So every time I load this now from this command line, it should update the localization files. So hopefully it works. And for those, I have like, if we can't find it, then there's like a backup value that's sourced. There we go. Okay, cool. So yeah, I love that. And we'll need to, I just have the system in place. I haven't done too much with it. I mean, I've made a few strings here, or sets of text here, so, but not too much. There's not too much text in here anyways yet. But we can switch between languages like super easy. I don't have settings in there. Which I could probably do that real quick. Menu. Let's do that real quick. One of those things where I don't think I have a keyboard on here. Looking for set day, I think. Yeah. Yeah, that's what we're looking for. Ooh. Okay. Got my thing here. I need to start that. We're gonna go work on that after I update this. Settings. Menu settings, settings text, skip menu settings. Oh, I already did that. I just didn't add the text yet. So this is how I load it in. I just have functions as get text and then pass in the key. And then like if that key doesn't exist, then the backup value, which is just going to be in English. So now that should be updated. Okay, that needs to be. I know what's going on there. I need to like recenter it. Just recenter the text after. Oh well, I'm not worried about that right now. That's just a quick thing. All right, so we're working on the seed right now. So I added this text. It persists between scenes. Just lets us know what seed we're on. And then so like when I initially load this game in, the seed should determine what I'm seeing on the board. It should determine what comes after I do like a switch like or a match like that. Should be consistent, right? Based on whatever the seed is, right? And so like if a player runs through the same seed again, like a lot of the actions or the actions after, or what am I trying to say? The events after the actions the player makes should all stay consistent. So if I make take the same exact routes of like matching and stuff like that, I should expect the same results on like a given seed. So that's what we're gonna work on today. So I guess the first thing to test would be creating the board, right? So if I have the seed, if I don't change the seed between placing items on the board, I would expect everything on the board should be the exact same. So we'll do that now just to check. So we can set a seed like this, I believe. Let me just double check. Across different versions of Joula, you should not expect the default RNG to always have the same type, nor that it will produce the same string of random numbers for a given seed. Oh, I don't like that. That could potentially mean over time the seeds change. But that's honestly just a detail. So that's a problem that is not something I need to deal with right this second. Okay, so we have reseed the random number generator will give the reproducible sequence of numbers and if and only if a seed is provided. Some RNGs don't accept a seed like random device. Okay, so we can do I think it's literally just saying random seed before I do anything. Let's see. So I guess the easiest way to test it is actually setting the seed because we use random to set it. So let's do random seed 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this dot seed is equal to rand 1 to 10, and then so it should be this. If that's right, it should be the same value every time. Let's see. But that did not work. Let's see why. Random. Oh, do I need to import random? Oh, brother. Using random, duh. Okay. I need to make that a dependency then? Using random. Well, let's see what happens. I might need to make it a dependency, yeah. I don't necessarily love that, but okay, so this is a problem. Because it's trying to I've dealt with this before and I don't really like this. This is something I'm gonna fix in the future, but for now I'm not trying to refactor the engine. But essentially the problem is these scripts get pulled into Joule Game themselves, so they're essentially a part of Joule Game. Circuits 3D. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. Okay. Hello. How are you, Circuits? Circuits? So we need to. Oh yeah, essentially this is pulled in and is like essentially a part of Joule Game. So if we try to add dependencies, it basically tries to add them to Joule Game, and it's not super easy. Oh shoot, bro, what's up? How are you? What's the new channel about? Oh, and you got a Discord? Get super into electronics and 3D printing. Nice. What have you been making? Oh shoot. You just like threw me into one of your voice channels. Alright, well you got somebody in there now. 3D printing is sweet though. That's been something I've been wanting to pull the trigger on for years, and I've never done it. I always see like really cool 3D prints and stuff, but it just feels like I haven't had like anything where I'm like, oh, I need it. But it seems really cool. So you've been making dumb little ESP32 multiplayer handheld games? What is ESP32? I'm gonna pause my timer. Oh, it's like a dev board. Oh. Oh, okay. People make like little gaming consoles with them. Oh, so you're like freaking wiring this thing, like connecting circuits or whatever. I don't know. And I can print the housing for it and everything. That's so sweet. So, yeah, no, that's sweet. That's something I've always wanted to get into, but I just have not made the time. That's so cool. Yeah, you said cheap. I saw it. It looked like freaking 16 or $7-8. That's it. Jeez, that is really cheap. Shoot, maybe I'll get one of these at some point. Oh, people use it for like home servers and stuff like that, or whatever, smart homes. That's pretty sweet. Are you still working in tech too? Like security, I thought. Okay, we gotta add this dependency. So this is a weird hack. We have to add like this dependency to our like entry file, which is kind of sucks. And then pass it through to the engine. So using random. So yeah, my Sec Plus exam in 2 weeks. Oh, nice. That's pretty sweet. You been doing any programming? Okay. Random. So then I'll need to add random to the project, which I know how to do now through actual REPL. Sweet. And then should I update the other one? I don't know why I just don't delete that. I'm gonna delete that now. Yeah, let's delete that. Yeah, so right now I'm working on just like a 2D game with my game engine I've been working on. I think you've seen me work on the game engine before, but yeah, I haven't stopped working on it. I just haven't been streaming it, but I've just been meaning to do it, and I'm like, now I'm trying to like advertise this game. So the microcontroller stuff has some coding in it using Arduino, C++, so that's why I really like this. I get to design the circuits, code the microcontroller, then 3D design, print, and enclosure. That's pretty sweet. That sounds fun. Really, like, that's something I'm definitely going to do at some point. Just like I know what I want. Like I'm just like so laser focused on like working on this engine and making games with it. Yeah, keep tuning in whenever I see you working on it. Thank you. I appreciate the support. It's been like 5 years almost. That's crazy. Since 2020, that's when I started streaming my Unity stuff. Okay, so we have the random added. So then what we'll need to do is pass it through as a global variable, which is kind of crappy. It's weird. Yeah. I guess I just got to do that. I hope it doesn't add too much bloat. It can't have that many dependencies, right? Okay, so we'll add random. This is how crappy it is. I just gotta pass it as a global variable. Get back to lurk mode, see folks. Alright. I don't know why I have that open. Right, I'm gonna close all these windows because I usually do that right when I get started, but forgot. So let's see. Should be. How do I do globals? I think it's main.globals. Yeah. Globals. What is that? 4? And hopefully that works. No, I like looking at the code, you're like, what is this even doing? That's why I want to fix that, because it's very annoying to have to like pipe the dependencies through like that. And also another thing, since I'm doing like this, that's why I have to do like dual game, because I have to be like, hey, this is like I'm inside of this module to like use it, and this eliminates like not being able to do it like this, like just using dual game, eliminates the what am I trying to say, the like the IntelliSense, so like, whatever the word for that is, like the LSP. I can't see dual game functions like when I'm typing, so I've written it so I know so much about it that I don't need to look at it so much. And I usually have the source code up, so I need that as well, so we can type and then have our functions that we can use, available functions actually showing up, I think. All right, anyways, I guess we can see if that works now. It's weird that random like that is okay. I might have to look back at this because it's weird that I have to import random or use it. I have to use it, import it there, but I don't need to just use that function, that rand function. That's weird. Is there like a, let's see. What if I just did, and of course, if I pass it through like that, I definitely can't get any suggestions. Give it a run. Okay, it seemed to work. So let's see. Now every time we run it, the seed should be 4. Okay, let's just, it was 4 again. So let's just do it one more time just to be sure it wasn't a fluke. And this is just to like test this. Okay, cool. All right, so what we'll need to do is I'm gonna actually keep this here. Um, I'm gonna actually keep this here for now because I want these to stay consistent for testing. But this line is gonna be deleted. So now we'll go and do ran. Intent. I don't care about intent right now. This grid. Okay, here we go. So right here, we'll just say, and then we'll just set the seed to a 1 for that. And then so hopefully they're all the same. They should. I don't know. This might be weird. I think we'll just need to update the syntax of that. Let's do println. Oh shoot. Oh. Okay. It's a sequence. So I was thinking I was gonna have to set the seed every time. Okay. So let's just do this. I'm going to run this, take a screenshot, and then rerun it and compare the screenshot. That actually makes it super easy. Oops. There we go. All right, let's take this screenshot, rerun it. And then if it's the exact same, we're just in business, I guess. So then I would actually do random without a seed, get the seed, right? Get the seed and then set the seed to that. Okay. We have boom, 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 boom. Yeah, that looks the same. Yeah. Oh my gosh, that was way easier than I thought it was gonna be. Oh, cool, 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 cool. Okay, so let's just. Then we don't even need to. I just want to double check and see if that seed, when I set it in that other one, it applies as well. So it should be, that seed should be 1, 2, 3, 4. But then we actually will keep that line. We'll just move it below the seed creation. So then let's take a screenshot because I think this is different, right? Yeah. Oh no, it's not. That's weird. Okay, let's do something now. Oops. Okay, we'll just do this though. Okay, so seed is, we'll just say 4 for now because that's what the random one's been. And then we'll keep it. And then now we should see something different. I just don't understand why we couldn't use seed without importing that package, but we can use random. Okay, yeah, this is different. And then get a screenshot. Open it up. And then we'll rerun it. He said I say cheap, but I just spent 200. Oh my god. Jesus. That's still not too bad. Okay. All right, it's the same. Yeah. Okay. That is pretty cool. Actually, let's run a little experiment now. They bought 10 more ESP32, a ton of screens, magnets, button hinges, LEDs, hot glue, gun, etc. Nice. Are you gonna like try to build stuff and sell them, or are you just so you can keep building stuff for fun? Start game. All right, let's see. Let's do this, and then I guess this, and then this. Hopefully, I can remember that. I did the. Okay, I know what I did. So yeah, eventually I'm learning right now though. Yeah, that's fair. Yeah. The process. Okay, so we did this one down, and this one, and then wasn't that? Uh-oh. Okay. Let's pay better attention. Okay. Art down, potion down. Then that happens. Then do this. Then that happens. Then let's do the skull in the middle. Okay. And then let's take the screenshot. Oops. Art down, sword, skull. It's because I want a consistent gameplay experience when we're doing seeds, like, you know, other games have. Just want to make sure that it's consistent. So, art down, potion down, sword left. It's not the same. It's not the same. What's happening? Hmm. How can I just want to be sure that it's using my seed. Um, how can I like get the seed? That'd be great. Hmm. I like this because I have like an actual. Well, I think I'm gonna go with this. Okay. Zol Shiro 256 plus plus is a faster. Okay, let's go with that because then I know I can pass this value through. Oh, is it gonna be a float every time? Can I not do a range? Integration. Okay, let's just try it and then try that other syntax and see what happens, I guess. We'll do. Let's see if that even works. I'm gonna switch to sitting. I don't think that worked. Oh wait. We gotta do this, right? Oh yeah, it's another freaking library or something. What did I just do? I did not do it in the right spot. Okay, so we are. Oops. I'm running again. Hmm? Why is that not working? How's it undefined? Unit there. Oh shoot. Just the RNG. Okay. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna get rid of these print tests. Okay. All right, that's what we would do. I'm not doing that yet. Okay. So let's say we'll create our persistent state manager. All right, let's see if just that works, and then I'll go update the rest of them. So this is kind of making like an S here. Those gold shields. So just eyeball it. I'm not gonna take a million screenshots right now. I just want this consistent. Because then there's no point of seeds. At that point, I might as well just abstract it from the player and keep it hidden. Okay, it's making like this S. Okay. Alright, let's go through and just add this to all the RAN functions in this file. Was that it? Oh, that is it. Okay. So I would think this makes it, should make it consistent. Let's do left to right here. Then here. Then here. Okay, cool. That makes it easy, I think, for me. Remember, if I can even just do that same sequence of events, should be good. Also, the reason why I want to do this is the queue feature I'm working on depends on this, because we need to know what's coming next consistently. So we go here, and here, and here. Okay. Let's do it again. And then we should end up with this. It's easy because everyone I'm at, then I have a new switch, available switch. It's cool. This is also cool because I can have separate RNGs. Yeah, I can have separate RNGs for like different actions. So like board stuff, random items, things like that. Item drops, stuff like that. I guess we'll see. Okay, so we go here. Then we should have a gold shield. We go up with the gold shield. It's a match 3. And then we go left to right here. And then we should have the same board. I love it. I love it. And then my move is heal 9. Boom. That's okay. Cool. Nice. Thank you. Yeah. This is that was smoother than I thought. This makes it I wonder. I wonder how well I can manipulate this RNG though, to be able to look forward. Because if I can't forward and backwards. Creation and seeding, subsequences, permutations, and shuffling. Because I basically need to... I need to know what's next, but I can't let it affect the RNG because it's a sequence, right? Because when I call it, then I'm gonna ruin the sequence. So I need to either store those values and then use them later, or I could have like a separate RNG track with the same seed, repeating the same numbers. right? I'd have to abstract it more. Have a function. It's like get latest. Okay. Let's look at the documentation, see if there's not an easy way to look forward and stuff like that. Is that gonna work? Okay, so that means I have to have separate RNG tracks for different actions because I can't pre-compute an action or like the result of an action if there's different types of actions. Because if I need what's the enemy gonna do next versus what's gonna come next on the board, if I pre-compute one, we have different ranges for numbers we need to bring back. So I can't use that value for the generate piece value. Okay, so these are both the same range. So that's fine. I really don't like this, but this is what we're gonna have to do. So we'll need to pre-compute them, store them, and then pull from them, right? So if I am the queue, I need to say how many. Okay, we'll say let's look for our queue. Queue manager. We'll need our persistent state manager referenced. Persistent state manager. So all the requests for this should be funneled through the queue. We should not be doing two separate tracks. So let's start with loading. Let's start with loading the queue. Like, what does that look like? Queue pieces. So that would be I think I need to create this data structure unless we can already, unless Julie already has it. I don't think so. We're not gonna worry about that right now. I don't want to waste my time. I don't say waste my time, but implement a proper queue. I'm gonna save this stuff real quick before I go on because I have a lot of changes and persistent state. Okay, cool. Let's go. So our queue. Let's. We need our persistent state manager. All right, so let's talk ourselves through this. I'm gonna hide this. So we have our persistent state manager, which contains our seed. Our seed is used to in our RNG, and then our RNG is passed through to our random functions. So I need to I need to initialize the board, which I guess should the queue initialize the board? That would make the most sense to keep all that even in there. So we'll say, so we need to initialize the board in fill queue. Say function populate. So we shouldn't even worry about loading the queue until the board is filled. All right. And we'll say board width, board height, I think. Right. Yeah.
Whatever. Continue.
Okay. Okay. Where's that? And for the most part, the queue. I'm just thinking, should the queue just provide the numbers? I think that's what I'm gonna do. Right now, we're just gonna do this. And then we'll do, and this is a step closer to make boards like resizable. Which right now it's just, this is just what it is. What it is. Okay, so it would be. Oh, shoot. Oh, wait, we don't need... Do we? We do... Oh, shoot. Oh, wait, this is the initialized... Some statement. We'll make those variables. Like 5. I don't think I even have it. 6. Okay, so let's just see if that works. That didn't really change anything functional, but we're moving that code into it's like own module. I'm probably gonna stop streaming at the hour. Oh, I already passed an hour. All right, I'm gonna try to finish this up then, best as I can. There we go, nice little undefined ref error. Game manager, update. Does it have a problem with this update? I'm just gonna have to do this and then close it as soon as there's an error. Did I commit that? Yeah, I did. Uh-oh. That's a problem. So the queue manager needs to be before the persistent state manager. That's the issue, I think. Or I guess before the game manager? No. Okay, we'll just have to do a check. Just because the ordering of things. What happened? Like queue manager has no field user. Where? Oh boy. Range. Or I could do this. Let's do it the order it shows up on the, or it's entered into the function. Okay, this is what we'll just do. We'll just pass all that through. And then we'll go. Range max. There we go. And then we'll see if we need that. I think we'll just have to pass it through every time. We'll see. All right, let's try that. Oh, brother, what? Gonna be something real stupid. I already know it. Persistent has no. Yes, it does. Did I spell it wrong? Persistent. Date manger. Yeah. That'll do it. Okay, there we go. Jeez. Jeez Louise. Okay, so now Okay. Board. So now we need to do board. Geez, is equal to rand. And then return board. Let me reopen VS Code. Okay, so we're going to return the board. We want to do that first because RNG. And then we want to populate the queue. So then we'll say refill queue. Yes. Then I want to push. Let's push to the beginning. Oh, I think I just accidentally deleted the one I'm. Oh no, here it is. Push. Oh, begin. Okay. Push first. See if he's not. They're not hallucinating. Push first. This dot queue. Few pieces. Then we'll say we need rand. So number come on. Autocomplete. Oh shoot, I just realized that I zoomed out when I restarted. Is that good? I think that's where I was at before. I'll be back in a second. I'm gonna just gonna turn this off, I guess. Okay, now my camera. Oh, there we go. let's do this. All right, so we need to refill queue. Say number of pieces to add. All right, yeah, so queue length is, let's say 6. Queue pieces length is 0. So we subtract 0 from 6 and we need 6. We'll say RNG bro RNG 1 1 to range max. So then we do that in a loop. I always forget how to do this. Oh, wait, no. 1, 2. Okay. Okay, adding 6 queue, 5, 5, 3, 4, 5, 4. Boom. Okay. So we have a new queue, length of 6. So 5, 5, 3, 5, 3, 4. Okay. Let's do it again. Let's see if we get the same one. 5, 5, 3, 5. Guess we could just do this. Right, and then once we run it, see if there's more results. Yep, it's the same thing. Cool. All right, so now we have our queue, but now we need to actually use the queue. So when we do a match, we need to empty the queue first and then generate the rest of what we need. Actually, let's put the game manager over here. And then the queue manager. And this code should really live in the grid controller. There's just so many files. Okay. So we'll look for the other brand. All right. So I think this is easy. I think this is easy. I think we literally need a function called get item, right? That just is in here. Because all we need is the integer value. And then we then we just take it from the queue. Instead of doing rand, we do yeah, because then we can just keep reloading the queue as we're placing these items, right? As we're placing these items, because I'm thinking like, you know, I have the queue, and then anything after that, I gotta think about. But no, let's just take one out of the queue, then push one back into the queue, take one out of the queue, push one back into the queue. That's all we need to do. Okay, so let's find this function here, because we're gonna copy this because that's what we need to copy, or like the module information, so we can call a function from the module. And then we'll say d q and d and q piece and q piece. And it's very verbose, but I know exactly what this function's doing. I'm not going to call it a ton, so I'm going to be typing this out. And then we will pass in this queue manager. All right. Yep. Spelled it right this time. All right, let's just do that. Our queue manager, and then we'll use from queue. And okay. So then all we need to do is to I assume it's probably pop last. There you go. Popped. Is it really? Last item is pop. Okay, I'm gonna trust it. So let's. Last item is going to pop. Just the Q pieces. So we're gonna pop this item. And then we'll do just trying to make my life easier in the future. Few pieces. And then we just return last item. And we're gonna be overloaded with logs, but that's fine. We'll move those to debug when we're done. Hopefully this just works. It did not work. Let's see why. Colon 1 5 1 to 5. I literally just did the same function I did earlier. Oh shoot, I see. That's in the actual range. Okay, so next, once this is done, then we'll just display the queue. And then every time we're done, we'll update the queue, like the queue display. Yeah, cool. Oh yeah. And I should have been paying attention, but that's the same. It's working. So we're healing for 9. Okay. Sweet. Let's save that. That's some good progress there. Items are you now. Cool. So now the last thing to do is to actually draw the queue. Okay, update queue display. This queue manager. So we basically need to steal this function. Where is it? This place item. Let's figure out where the queue's gonna go real quick. That is not right. Mass position world. That is not right. Oh well. Go look at that one. That should be 7. That should be 1-7. Right? 1. Yeah, that should be 1-7. So we'll just start at 1-8-9. We'll just start at 1-9. And then see how it looks. I don't care how it looks right now. One 9. We're just gonna take this whole function and copy it, I guess. Oh wait. Yeah, let's just copy it, I guess. Item placement X, placement Y. Just to so it matches up, we'll make the Q length 7. Oh wait, or these. This. And then we will do refill queue, update queue display. And hopefully that just works. It doesn't. It does not. I feel it's like a syntax error or something. N4. That is not real. Oh yeah. Okay, but now let's see. So we should be seeing this show up next. This, then that, then that. So let's see, what's the minimum I can do? Oh, look at that. So it goes left to right. So it should be heart, shield, skull. Heart, shield, skull. Yeah. Okay. So that works. Pretty cool. Then we just need to update it. Let me save this real quick. Init queue. Yeah, init queue. That's it. Queue display. All right, so that's cool. Now let's. We'll need to update this. Actually, could probably update it now. Let's do this though, because I actually want to preserve this so I have like a consistent save I can go back to. Well, I guess that doesn't matter. Actually, we'll do one of 10, or we'll do one of 100 for now. I don't want it like so big that I'll never get the same one, but I don't want the same. Queue manager. Okay, so now we need to know when it's over. Which I don't know. Place item, refill board. Oh, duh. Okay, I got it. Player turn. Maybe. Oh wait. Let's do enemy turn. Yeah. When we set it to enemy turn. Hmm. You're saying grid controller I can find it? Do I just call a function from the game manager? I almost think I do. We're just gonna kind of like pipe that through to the game manager because I don't want to get all weird changing state or calling functions from a bunch of different files. Okay. All right, sword, heal, sword, sword, heal, sword. Okay, that function doesn't exist. Try to call it multiple times. Shoot. Yeah, that should only happen once. Shoot. What if I just go after the processing the enemy turn? That would make sense why the game manager module, the battle manager module, doesn't have a function on the game manager module. Okay, we do have game manager. Let's try that. I was not even looking. No, brother. Crazy chain reaction here. That's what we do not want. Oh, shoot. It's only going to update it after the enemy turn, but we'll see. Yeah. And we need to delete the other ones. Okay. We should also rename these. Great page. We'll change that to clean view display. Get entities by name. We have a function that we can use there. So we'll look. All right, here we go. All right, let's listen ChatJupiter. Get a pattern. Here we go. Look at that Jupiter. Oh wait, we're not doing this. Oops. All right, let's see if it works. I know timing's still not where we want it, but oh shoot, I know where. It's where we update the moves left. Duh. That was not right. Alright, I think I'm gonna sit back down. Once I'm done with this, I'm cutting the stream off immediately. So feel like I'm like 10 minutes away. Oh, I missed it again. Not paying attention. Did it go that fast? Oh my gosh, there's no way. What am I gonna do? That is peculiar. I think I got it. See, this is also a reason why I really need to get the telesense working, because that would have been caught. Sword apart. Yeah, that looks right. Went a little fast for me, but okay. So now we need to figure out where to put this. Big Q display. Your turn, moves left. Okay, this should be it. Hopefully, I'm done. Okay. Yeah. Sword, heart, shield. Did I miss something? Oh shoot. So right there, because it should be happening every switch, not just. And that should really say move. That's not right. Because it's not, it's gonna. It's not right. We gotta wait. We have to wait until the turn is over. When we find 0 matches, we don't find any matches, I guess. Yeah, it should be this. Did I do this already? I don't think I did, actually. I don't think I should play that song. Okay. Skull should be shield skull. So it hasn't updated yet, and then once we're done, if we ever get done, it'll update. Yeah, okay, it updated. And I do a simple match here, and then hopefully not get anything. I guess I know, right? I know that it's gonna be a shield, sword, so I shouldn't get any matches. Right? That's the whole point of that. Oh, it's the other way around. Was I looking at that right? I think I would like it the other way around. That's not a problem for right now, but now I know, right? Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's do that. All right, we're gonna be done. That was a great session. We got the queue going. Displaying queue. Queue updates for each. I said turn, I meant move, whatever. Probably delete that.
It's not so bad. It's okay. It's not okay. You keep saying that, but you don't know what you're doing. Now we're going to suffocate or starve at the bottom of the ocean. And only my parents will notice because no one else cares about me. I'm gonna disappear without ever making a single friend. Without ever making a single friend.
Actually, can we just delete that?
Without ever making a single friend.
All right, let's kick off a build. Let's go. Come on, come on. All right, I think I'm done. Thank you for watching. All right, have a good day.